After installing the Gmail connector for Salesforce add-on, simply click on the add-on icon on the right to expand the sidebar and see everything about your contact in Salesforce in one place. You can even open the contact in the CRM as well as any related opportunities and so on. To add this message to Salesforce.com, simply click the Add to CRM button in the sidebar. And that's it. Now you can see the message has been added to Salesforce.com, and you can just click here to open it inside of Salesforce. Another great feature is that when you get an email from a new lead, you can simply add them as a contact or a lead in Salesforce.com by clicking in the sidebar. Fill out the details and save it, and now you've created a new lead in Salesforce.com. There's even the capability to automatically sync emails and calendar items in the background. Click on the automatic sync option to set it up. The email connector is another award-winning product from iEnterprises. If you have any questions whatsoever, contact us at sales@ienterprises.com or support@ienterprises.com. We'd be happy to help you with any inquiries, including enterprise licensing or support questions in general. Thanks.